Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize TD Ameritrade for portfolio analytics workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the TD Ameritrade website. Log into your TD Ameritrade account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Client Services tab on the main navigation bar. Click on Client Services to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Profile. In the Profile section, look for the API or Data Sharing option. Click on the API or Data Sharing link to access the relevant settings. You may see a prompt for accepting terms and conditions for API access. Read through the terms and conditions carefully. If you agree, proceed by checking the acceptance box. Then, click the Save button to confirm your acceptance. Next, navigate to the Portfolio section of your account dashboard. Look for options related to portfolio analytics or insights. Select the appropriate option that allows you to configure analytics workflows. You may encounter a series of prompts guiding you through the setup process. Follow these prompts, providing any required information, such as your preferred analytics tools. Ensure you enable any necessary API access to integrate with third-party applications. After completing the setup, review all settings for accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments to customize your portfolio analytics. Once everything looks good, click the Finalize or Submit button to complete the authorization. You will receive a confirmation message once the process is successful. If applicable, check your email for additional verification or instructions. Now, you're ready to utilize TD Ameritrade for portfolio analytics workflows. Return to your chosen analytics platform to begin integrating your TD Ameritrade data. Follow their guidelines for connecting your authorized account. After successful integration, explore the analytics features available to you. Keep your login credentials secure for ongoing access to your data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.